Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just apply. अभी we were having some problem, so we'll just take some. I mean, जो अभी जो theorem हम लोगों ने पढ़ा, so we'll take an example to understand what we were in fact actually trying to say. Okay. So example here, let's say that we want to maximize, ठीक है, this objective function which equals negative 50x plus 20y and subject to the constraints twice of x minus of y greater than or equal to negative 5, 3x plus y greater than or equal to 3, 2x minus of 3y less than or equal to 12, and these are the non-negativity constraints. All right. So with these non-negativity constraints, what you could say that the graph will be in the first quadrant. Okay. So let's just have our graph in the first quadrant only. Okay. I'll try to make the things a little bigger. Okay, so the graph will be in the first quadrant, and we have three linear constraints. Okay, so let's take these one by one, and यहाँ पे तुम क्या कर सकते हो? You will make the equations first.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? And तो equation बनाना तुम्हारा काम हो गया. ठीक है? I'll just make the equation of 1 twice of x minus of y equals negative 5. ठीक है? Hope I'm right. So twice of x minus of y greater than or equal to negative 5. क्या रखेंगे यहाँ पे? Just remove this inequality sign. We'll replace this inequality sign with the equality sign. So this will give you the equation. Now just get the y-intercept. So how would you get that y-intercept cover of x? So y will be equal to 5. So the point will be equal to 0,5 right here. Okay. Let's get the x-intercept. So cover of y.
Yes, sir.
So x-intercept is negative 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
So let's say just say that that point is the somewhere over here. Negative 5 by 2 comma 0. Alright?
Yes, sir.
So what we'll do, we'll join these 2 points ना, इन 2 points को join कर लो.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, इसके बारे में तो ज़्यादा चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्यों नहीं जरूरत है? Because my function will be the first quadrant because of these non-negativity constants. So either join नहीं भी करोगे तो this won't create any problem to you. Let's take 0 0 the origin. Okay, यहाँ पे plug here. So twice of 0 will give you 0 minus of y minus of 0. So that's 0. So is 0 greater than or equal to negative
yes,
5?
Sir.
Yes. So this is the region. Okay, this is the region. All right. Now we'll take 3x plus y greater than or equal to 3. So you can write the equation by yourself.
Yes.
Okay. So let's get the y-intercept. So y-intercept is 3. Just focus on y
yes,
and forget about x. Make the y alone. So y is standing itself alone. Okay. So y coordinate will be equal to 0,3. These are approximate, huh?
Yes.
So you have to make these on the graph. So both correct ले सकते हो. And we'll now get the x-intercept.
Yes,
so forget about y and just get the value of x. Make the x stand alone. Okay.
1,0.
So that's 1. Okay, very good. 1,0. Again we have these 2 points now.
Yes, sir.
Join these 2 points. I'll try to be straight. Okay. Let this be 1,0. ठीक है? बहुत सारा चीजें तो पकड़ लोगे तुम. 0 0 डाला यहाँ पर से. So 3 times 0 will give you 0
yes,
and plus 0 will 0. So is 0 0 greater than 3? 0 greater than 3?
No,
the answer is no. Are you sure?
Yes.
So the region away from
the origin.
The origin. So this is the region. Let's take the last one.
Yes.
So okay, just forget about the x part. Just get the y-intercept. So y-intercept will give you negative of 4. So I think I have to draw this a little more bigger. Okay. So let's just say that this is negative of 4, negative of 0 comma 4. Even the sum bracket,
yes.
if you cover up x, you'll have negative of 4 y equals to. Okay.
0, negative 4.
So 0 comma negative 4.
Yes.
Okay, is the y coordinate. And let's just get the x. So x-intercept is 6. So the point
6,0.
is 6 comma 0.
Yes.
Let's just connect the points again. So okay. I think I can make it a little more better. Okay, alright. Okay, so let's again do the plug and check. So again, so you have 0 on this thing. So is 0 0 greater than 12? The answer is 0 greater than 12? Plug and check 0 0. So twice of 0. Okay, excuse me.
A smaller
Twice. Okay, yeah, I'm getting it. So twice of x minus of 3y.
Yes.
This will give you 0.
Yes, sir.
So is 0 smaller than 12? The answer
yes,
is yes. Alright. So this is the region containing the origin is the required region. So this is the region, alright?
Yes, sir.
So we are in this quadrant, alright? So this is the feasible region right here.
Yes.
So do we have all the quadrant points? Yes, we have. So So though this is, अब यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं that this is the unbounded region.
Yes.
Why? Because you can't draw a circle so that this will get encircled completely. Okay, that you can't do. So we'll focus on the corner points. So the corner points are 0,5, 0,3, and this right here is 1,0 and 6,0. So we'll focus on the corner points. So let's draw the table. Okay, let's just take the corner points, and what we'll do, we need to maximize, excuse me, this objective function negative of 50x plus 20y, and we need to minimize it. What we'll do, we'll minimize it. So let's just have the points. So the points were, okay, excuse me, I said we were to minimize, but
Yes.
we'll maximize this. अच्छा चलो minimize, maximize दोनों कर लेंगे, ठीक है? So 0,5 was 1 point, 0,3 the other, 1,0 the third one, and the fourth one we have is 6,0. Okay. So let's just, this is our objective function. Pretty simple. Just plug in the coordinates and evaluate the values. So 25 will equals 100, and 3 times of 20 will give me 60, and here I'll have negative of 50, and then negative of 50 into 6
Yes, sir.
will give me negative of 300. Okay?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay.
So now let's just focus here. So this is the, and we want to maximize this. Please focus here. गौर करना है यहाँ पे maximize करना है.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have the maximum and you have the capital M here. ठीक है? अब क्या करोगे? Maximize करना है ना?
Yes.
गौर से देखो. Maximize करना है तो क्या करोगे? Objective function greater than है.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what's your objective function? Negative of 50 x plus 20y greater than 100. What's the value? 100.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अब इसको solve करो. What we can do? We can have 10 common.
Yes, sir.
So negative 5x plus 2 greater than 10. ठीक है? अब solve कर लिया. Okay, excuse me, I'm missing a y there. ठीक है? I was missing that y there. So negative of 50x plus 20y greater than 100. So we'll take 10 common. So we'll have negative of 5x plus 2y greater than 100. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Hope the things are clear. Okay. Now let's just get the points. So y-intercept is 0,5.
Yes, sir.
Think that pretty
Yes, sir.
clear.
Yes.
That y-intercept is 5. So the point will be 0,5.
0,5.
So this is the point right here. Okay. Achha, let's get the x-intercept. So x-intercept will be equal to negative of 2,0.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Somewhere over here. Negative of 2,0. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Take it. Let's just join these two points. Let's just join these 2 points. Okay, I'll solve this equation. Okay. It is not many. This line is. I wasn't able to draw this pretty straight, but
सर इसको डॉट से कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल. I was about to make it dotted. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
I was about to make it dotted, but पहले थोड़ा straight बना लेते हैं.
ठीक सर.
Okay. अच्छा. चलो good. अब यहाँ पे क्या करना है? यहाँ पे just plug and check. तो this is the point containing the origin. 0 0 रख लिया यहाँ पे. रख करके देख लो. तो 0 and 0. This will give you 0. Is 0 greater than 10?
No, sir.
No?
Away from the origin.
So
Yes, sir.
we'll take the points which is away from the origin.
ठीक सर.
ठीक है? तो ये दिख रहा है ना, the half plane determined by this equation is this one,
Yes, sir.
and the common feasible region is this.
Yes,
I mean, let me shade that common region. What I can do, this right here, this part is the feasible region. You must agree that this is the feasible region.
Yes.
So do you see anything common? Any point common between this feasible region and the open half plane determined by this equation?
No, sir.
No. So this point, this 0,5 is the will give you the maximum value, and that's the optimal solution.
ठीक सर.
Okay. This is the optimal solution. 0,5 is the optimal solution, and the optimal value is 100.
ठीक सर.
Okay. अच्छा ये यहाँ क्या कहते हैं? We are also planning to minimize it. Minimize कर लेते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना? We are also planning to इसको maximize करेंगे, पर minimize भी कर लेते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay. चलो minimize करने के लिए तो वही the same story. Corner points, लेकिन आप देखिए minimum value this time. Small m ले लिया, this is small m.
Yes.
तो इसमें क्या करोगे? Take the objective function, which is negative of 50 plus 20y, and this time since you are minimizing, so less than negative of 300. Okay, the things, and excuse me again, I missed out that x. Okay. अच्छा, अब तो चीजें दिख रही हैं बहुत आसान. अब क्या कर लो? Take 10 common, बहुत आसान से negative of 5x plus 2y less than equal to not equal to less than negative of 30. Okay, अब इनको point कर लो. So y गौर से देखना. The y-intercept will be equal to get the y-intercept, we'll forget about x. So just forget about that. Get the y-intercept which is equal to negative of 15. So you have the point 0, negative of 15 somewhere over here. Okay, let's just say that this is the point right here. Okay, this is the point. And to get the x-intercept, just forget about y. So x-intercept is 6. So the point will be 6, 0. अच्छा यहाँ पे देखा जो मिनिमम मैक्सिमम वैल्यू जिस पॉइंट पे मिला था वो भी इस इक्वेशन का पार्ट है.
Yes sir.
एंड दिख रहा है जो मिनिमम वैल्यू जिस पॉइंट पे मिली है वो भी दिस इज आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ द इक्वेशन. ओके, ऑलराइट, लेट्स जॉइन दीस टू पॉइंट्स. जॉइन कर लेते हैं. जॉइन कर लिया हम लोगों ने, ठीक है. लेट्स जॉइन द टू पॉइंट्स. अब यहाँ पे क्या करें, विल जस्ट चेक the half rate determined by this equation. So just plug in 0 0.
Yes.
Okay, 0 0 डाल के देखा. So is 0 0 smaller than negative of 30?
No sir.
The answer is no. So what you can say, the answer away from the origin, the region away from the origin. So but you want the answer in the first quadrant. So let's take the first quadrant.
Yes sir.
So what you can see that the region that we have is both red as well as black. So this region determined by, and now what you can say that this region determined by this equation and the feasible region has a lot of points in common.
Yes sir.
So therefore the minimum, this right here 6, 0 does not represent the minimum value, and at the same time what you can say that the minimum value will not exist for this equation. Okay, hope the things are clear to everyone.
Yes sir.
Okay, and